Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need any help regarding blog post formatting and uploading, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide you how you can easily copy all of blogs in WordPress Gutenberg Editor. So I am going to my all post section. I am opening my test post in Gutenberg blog editor. If I want to copy a blog, when I click a blog, only this blog will select. If you give double click or triple click, only that block going to select. How you can copy all of the blocks together? So there has easiest option. You can do it just by a single click. On the right side top corner there has a three dot. So this is the three dot. Click on that three dot and here you will get a option below of this box, copy all block. Just click here, your all block will be copied. So I already clicked here and I am going to add new post. So if I paste here, then I will understand my all of the blocks copied perfectly or not. So I am giving the right click and paste here, and you see all of the blocks are copied, but your title and SEO details, meta description, meta tag, those things will not copy. If you want to make 100% duplicate of one post, then you can watch my previous video. There I have shown how you can duplicate a WordPress post easily. So this is the tricks, and there is another tricks you can use if you don't love to use that system, or if you want to copy partial part. Then how you can do, select any of the block and just drag. As many part you will drag, that part will be selected and you can click on that three dot. After that you can copy. So if you want to copy partial part, then you can use this method. Just anywhere, like you want to copy from here till here, so just select here and just drag. This will be copy. And if you want to make full all of the blocks copy, there has another system. I already shown you how you can copy from the three dot and copy all block. This option I already shown you, but there is another option. That is, just click on the first paragraph or first word. After that, click the outside of the box, like here. For example, here. And on your keyboard, press Ctrl A. You see all of the blocks already selected. So there is two way. Any paragraph, if you give Ctrl A, only that paragraph will select. Or if you select headline, then if you give Ctrl A, that headline will select. So where you are clicking, only that block will be select if you give Ctrl A. But if you click firstly outside of the block and give Ctrl A, then all of the block will selected. So this is a second way. So it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. Thank you.